Step 1. Stop feeding your brain junk. Your brain is overwhelmed because you keep filling it with things that don't matter. Endless scrolling, pointless videos, gossip, negative news, drama that has nothing to do with your life. Every piece of content you consume takes up space in your brain. And when that space is filled with noise, there is no room left for clarity, creativity, or focus. You cannot think clearly in a cluttered mind, just like you cannot work productively in a messy room. The first step to cleaning your brain is controlling what goes into it. Audit everything: your social media feed, the conversations you have, the content you watch. If it's not adding value, cut it. Your brain becomes what you repeatedly feed it. Feed it better. Do this tonight. Open Instagram or YouTube. Unfollow or unsubscribe from 10 accounts that add zero value to your life. Do it right now. Step 2. Get everything out of your head. Your brain is not a storage device, but you're treating it like one. You're holding your to-do list in your head, your worries, your plans, your unfinished conversations, your goals, your fears. All of it is sitting inside your mind, taking up space and creating constant background noise. This is called cognitive overload, and it is exhausting. The solution is simple. Get it all out. Grab a notebook and do a full brain dump. Write down everything that is sitting in your head right now. Every task, every worry, every idea, everything you've been meaning to do. Once it's on paper, your brain can finally let it go. You don't need to hold it anymore. It's safe. It's written down. This one habit alone will make you feel 10 times lighter. Do this tonight. Grab any notebook or even a piece of paper. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Write down everything in your head without stopping. Everything. Step 3. Give your brain silence every day. Your brain never gets a break. From the moment you wake up, music, podcasts, notifications, conversations, screens, constant input, constant stimulation, no silence, no stillness, and a brain that never rests, never recovers. Silence is not wasted time. It is when your brain processes, organizes, and makes sense of everything it has absorbed. It is when your best ideas come, when clarity arrives, when stress dissolves. Give your brain at least 10 minutes of complete silence every day. No phone, no music, no input of any kind. Just sit. Just breathe. Just be still. It will feel uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is your brain detoxing. Let it. Do this tomorrow morning. Before touching your phone, sit in silence for 10 minutes. No music, no scrolling, just silence. That's it. Step 4. Move your body to clear your mind. When your body is stuck, your mind is stuck. Physical movement is one of the most powerful tools for mental clarity, and most people completely ignore it. When you exercise, even just a walk, your brain releases chemicals that reduce stress, improve focus, and lift your mood. It physically flushes out mental fog. You don't need an intense workout. A 20-minute walk outside with no phone, no music, just you and your thoughts will do more for your mental clarity than any productivity hack you've ever tried. Your body and brain are connected. Move one and you move the other. Do this today. Go for a 20-minute walk. No phone, no music. Just walk and let your mind breathe. Step 5. Stop living in your head. Write it down. Overthinking is just thinking in circles with no exit. The same thought, over and over, from every angle, never concluding, just spinning. The way to break the cycle is to write. When you write your thoughts down, you force them to become linear. You take a spinning, chaotic mess and turn it into something you can actually look at, examine, and understand. Every night before bed, write down what's on your mind. What happened today? What you're worried about? What you can't stop thinking about? You don't need to find solutions. You just need to get it out of your head and onto paper. The act of writing it down alone brings a level of clarity that thinking never will. Do this tonight. Before sleeping, open any notebook. Write for 5 minutes. No rules, no structure, just whatever is in your head. Let it pour out. Step 6. Fix your sleep. A tired brain is a cluttered brain. When you don't sleep, your brain literally cannot clean itself. There is a system in your brain called the glymphatic system that flushes out toxins and waste while you sleep. When you cut your sleep short, that process is interrupted. The result? Brain fog. Poor memory, low focus, emotional instability, constant mental noise. No amount of productivity hacks will fix a brain that is running on 5 hours of sleep. Protect your sleep like it is your most important appointment, because it is. Wind down at night. Put the phone away. Sleep in a dark, cool room. Get 7 to 8 hours. Your brain repairs itself while you sleep. Let it. Do this tonight. Set a phone off time. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Put your phone in another room if you have to. Just try it once and see how differently you wake up. Step 7. Choose your thoughts intentionally. Most people let their thoughts happen to them. They don't choose them. Random worry, automatic self-doubt, unconscious negative loops, all running in the background all day long, shaping how you feel, how you act, and what you believe about yourself. Cleaning your brain is not just about removing external noise. It is also about becoming aware of the internal noise. Start noticing your thoughts. When a negative thought appears, don't fight it. Just observe it. Ask yourself, is this thought true? Is this thought useful? Is this thought helping me or hurting me? You cannot control every thought that enters your mind, but you can control which ones you give attention to, which ones you feed, which ones you let stay. Your mind is your home. You get to decide what lives there. Do this right now. Think of one negative thought you keep repeating about yourself. Write it down, then write next to it. Is this actually true? Challenge it. That's where it starts. A clean brain is not a luxury. It is a necessity. You cannot build the life you want with a mind full of noise, clutter, and chaos. Everything starts with your mind. And your mind starts with what you choose to put in it, what you choose to release from it, and what you choose to protect it from. You don't need to do all 7 steps at once. Pick the one that resonates most and start there tonight, because a clearer mind leads to clearer decisions, and clearer decisions lead to a better life. Save this video. Share it with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.